Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to write interfaces in Golang and how to implement them. So let us begin. So first is we are going to create a very simple main.go file. So let us say main.go, and then we are going to follow the same structure. So we are going to have first package main, and we are going to write a main function here, func main. So our basic block is done. Now first we need to define our interface. So let us say in our case we are going to create an interface which will have only one function, which is going to say good morning. Now depending on the implementation, it can say good morning either in English or in Spanish. So let us do that. So in order to define an interface, we do it like this. So it's a type. So let's say we'll say greeter interface, which greets interface this. So this is how we define interface, and the function need to define inside this. So the function name would be say good morning. Okay, it is simply going to return a string depending on the language. So how to implement this interface, right? So implement it through struct. How do we define struct? We say it like this, type. So we'll say one is English struct, one is Spanish struct. So English struct, and another one is type Spanish struct, right? Now these two structs, they are basically going to work like a class in Java that implements an interface. So they are going to implement it. Now we need to define the method, right, for each implementer. So let us say like this. So how do you do it? Like we say func, because it's a function, like this, and we say this, take this whole signature and put it like this. So what is this? This is a syntax that is used in Golang. So when we are trying to implement an interface, we need to do it like this. So inside this braces, we need to pass who is the implementer. So in this case, it's English, let us say. So English, when we return, what do we say? Good morning, right? So this is how we return it. And for Spanish, we'll do the same thing. For Spanish, it would be Buenos dias. Buenos dias. Right? This is not correct, this has an accent, but we're not going to worry about that. So now, how do we say? First we need to, like any other language, first we need to have a variable of this type interface, right? So we're going to say var g greater, nice, and here we're going to say g dot pass the type, this implementer, right? So we're going to say we're going to say g is equal to English. So now the G type has become English. So now when you call it g.print ln, and we say g.say good morning. So we are calling the method interface, but we have set the implementer as English. So it should come as good morning. So we'll run this. Go. So as you can see, it's good morning. Now if I want to do the Spanish one, same thing, g equal to Spanish, then we say this, and this should bring up Buenos dias. So let's run this, Buenos dias. So as you can see, for the same method, we are calling different implementations. So this is how interfacing works in Golang. Hope you liked this video. If you liked it, like, share and subscribe and comment. Do let me know if there is something that I can improve upon this first video. Trying my best. Thank you for watching.